Alright guys, so this is unboxing of the PepperBall gun that I bought. I have customers that are douchebags, and I've almost had to shoot one a couple times. And I have a concealed carry, but I don't want to have to shoot somebody over their fucking lawnmower. It just doesn't make sense to me. So I got one of these. So here's the holster. Let me open that up. Comes with a couple Allen wrenches. Looks like it tightens down on it to make it snugger fit, or not as snug a fit. Clips right onto your belt. Let's open up the gun. Before I go into the gun, I got the Live X rounds, which are the really strong PepperBall rounds. I got some of those. And it comes with rubber rounds and normal PepperBall rounds in it. Alright, just open it up. Got the cleaner. That's probably a silicone oil for cleaning it out, to lube it up. Allen wrench. Instruction book. Yellow paper. Let's just get to the good stuff here, huh? Pretty heavy duty. Very large handle. Sights are realistic. Safety's better. No, that's not safety, that's clip release. Oh, and that's cool. So each clip holds the CO2 and the rounds. So when you go to switch clips, you got a fresh CO2 ready to go. This is safety. Safety off, safety on. There was complaints on the safety. See, that's working. It was a lever, and people were complaining about it being flimsy, so they changed it up to this, like a normal gun safety. That's cool. And got a box that says accessories. Oh, that's going to be the CO2 cartridges. Yep, CO2s inside the accessories box. And then we've got inert and live. These are PepperBall rounds, and these are solid rubber rounds. So actually pretty happy with the way it feels and looks. What is this thing on this side here? I'm not sure what that is. Maybe something in the book will tell us what this is, but it looks like some kind of adjustment on it. Alright guys, so it's just the unboxing. That's what it looks like. I'll see if I can do like a review video later. I'll put the website and everything where I got all this as well, right in the description below. Peace.